Bakas sa mukha ni dating Presidential Legal Counsel Salvador Panelo na nasihan siya sa mga argumentong inihain ni Defense Counsel Nicholas Kaufman sa harap ng International Criminal Court o ICC laban sa mga binitawang pahayag ng prosecution sa unang araw ng confirmation of charges kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Ayon kay Panelo, kitang-kitang pinag-aralang maigi ni Kaufman ang bawat dokumento at mga talumpating iprinisinta ng prosecution at hinimay niya ito sa korte.
Attorney Kaufman did not disappoint me. He made a thorough research on the case. He read the documents, the particular documents that the prosecution used against the president.
Anya, binigyang diin ni Kaufman kung paanong pinili lamang ng prosecution ang mga sensational na salitang ginamit ng dating Pangulo sa kanyang mga talumpati at hindi ang kabuuan ng mga ito.
And he pointed out the fact that the prosecution has been lifting only salacious, to use his word, part of the speech. When in fact, if you read the entire speech, it exonerates the president.
Ayon pa kay Panelo, ang pinanghawakang dokumento ng prosecution na umunoy nagsasabing may murderous intent ang dating Pangulo sa kanyang war on drugs ay siya ring dokumentong nagsasabing ang utos ng Pangulo ay gawin ang pag-aresto ng ayon sa batas.
There is an important prosecution theory or evidence, according to it, that would show that there is murderous intent and there was a plan to kill. And that was the document, circular of the PNP, which it highlighted on the word neutralize. The arrest following the laws as well as the rules on engagement. And that's why Attorney Kaufman was saying, you are presenting a document which is against your own case. Because that very document shows that the PNP is following the laws of the country.
Samantala, dinipensahan naman ni Panelo si Kaufman sa sinabi nitong hindi maaring tawaging crime against humanity ang ginawa ng dating Pangulo dahil hindi naman buong civilian population ang nasawi.
Well, that's very true. It's not the entire. Can you imagine 110 million Filipinos? If you will follow the prosecution's theory, Mr. Duterte, when he declared war on drugs, he was targeting the entire population. As correctly pointed out by Attorney Kaufman, it was only limited to those perceived to be or suspected to be criminals.
Binigyang diin ni Panelo na bagamat may mga nasawing sibilyan, marami ring namatay na miyembro ng pulisya na tila hindi nabibigyang pansin ng ilan.
How will you explain that there are more than 100 policemen killed during police drug operation? More than 100 also, and the record will show that, have been seriously injured. If it is true that these people were killed senselessly, defenseless, how would you explain that? So, paano napatay itong mga pulis na ito? Paano ito nasugatan? Kung walang, according to the prosecution, never na naglaban. Talaga may mamamatay pag you're involved in a drug syndicate and you're addicted to it. Talaga may hindi ka susuko ng peacefully. Talagang lalaban at lalaban.
James Hilario, UNTV News and Rescue, The Hague, The Netherlands. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahalagahan.